Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We have got a super cute little mulberry to show you today. So this is a Mulberry Bayswater, but it's in the size small, and I really like it in the size small. I think it's got that classic kind of Bayswater look, but because it's small and it also has that removable strap, it just makes it perfect for kind of on the go every day. So we've got that one removable strap. It is also adjustable, you can see with that buckle there. So we've got it on the longest setting at the minute. And then we also have little miniature double top handles and that super cute little miniature mulberry postman's lock as well on the flat closure. So I'll open that up and show you inside. Inside we've got gorgeous burgundy suede lining, and then on the opposite side we have one flat pocket and then we have one zipped pocket as well. So I'll just show you inside there, and then we've got a few little cards in there which I'll show you in a second. So the condition of this one, we've called the exterior excellent. If it has been used before, you would not be able to tell from the exterior because it is in a perfect condition. There is absolutely no signs of wear. I'll just get that closed so you can see all over what a lovely condition that is in. Those corners are perfect, all that leather is perfect as well, and you can see it's still got that lovely Bayswater shape to it as well. The interior we've called very good. There is a little bit more wear to the interior, so just on that base you can see that mark just here and a little mark just there as well, and there's a tiny little bit of marking on that suede, on that flat closure, so that's why I've called that interior very good. And then the hardware, again, we've called very good. So there's a little bit of hairline scratching on that postman's lock and the really slightest bit of fade into that gold tone on the little turn lock there. But other than that, it is in a very nice condition. All the rest of the hardware has that lovely gold tone, super nice and shiny, and it all works perfectly as well. So that is the condition of this Bayswater. It comes with the Mulberry dust bag as well as the Mulberry product tag, and then we also have the Mulberry care card as well. So that is what it comes with. The exact measurements for this Bayswater will be in the link in the description below. So it is the size small, but if you wanted those exact dimensions, click that link and it should hopefully take you directly to this bag. It's a link to shop this bag on our website, armcandybagco.com. If you click this link and it doesn't take you directly to this bag and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, we do have a request list that you can get onto. If this is one of your favourites, all you have to do is send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. Let us know that you love this, and that means as soon as we get another one, you'll be one of the first to know. Send you through an email and it'll have the link to shop, then you can hopefully get in there nice and quickly. So that's the request list. As I said, exact measurements are going to be on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", and with that strap you can pop it on your shoulder like this, or I think it looks really nice as a crossbody as well. It sits at the perfect height on me. So again, we've got that on the longest setting at the minute, so I'll just pop that off so you can see that. So we've got it on the longer setting, so you've got quite a few options to make it shorter, but for me that sits perfectly like that, and it's just really nice. We've got lovely easy access, and again, if you love the look of a classic Bayswater but it's a bit too big or maybe a bit too heavy for every day, this is perfect because it's got that lovely classic mulberry look, but super easy, super lightweight, and still got a lot of room. Even though it's small, you've got quite a lot of room in there still, and you can definitely fit your essentials and a little bit more in there. So if you are looking for a gorgeous classic looking Bayswater, classic looking mulberry like this one, go to the link in the description below, sign up to our newsletter while on our website and we'll send you through your welcome discount code, and also have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you're interested in selling any of your bags. All the details about the process are on that page, so have a read through there. Don't forget to like this video while you're here as well, and if you're a bag lover like we are, subscribe to our channel and then you don't miss out on any gorgeous bags like this one that we have to show you, and we'll be back very soon with some more.